Hey, I'm Lauren, and today I'm going to review Tanologist Tan Eraser and Primer. So this is 6.76 ounces, it's $15, and I like how you can buy it in store at Ulta or Target. So if you have a botched tan, you can just run to the store and purchase this to fix it. So it's a foaming mousse formula, which is really nice because you apply it and then you rub it all over and it stays in place. And it also makes it really easy to target a specific area, so you know when you like mess up on your wrist or on your foot. This is a foam, so you can literally just place it right on that part of the tan and just remove that area. It's also vegan and cruelty free. Self-tan removers are funny because they make it seem like glycolic acid is the main ingredient that removes the tan. And in reality, the main ingredient is urea, which is in every single self-tan remover I have ever seen. It's the second ingredient after water in most of them, and it is in this one too. And in my opinion, urea should be the main selling point because it's such a great ingredient. It's something that's naturally present in our skin already, and it moisturizes and acts as a humectant, so it locks in moisture, but it's also a very gentle chemical exfoliant that helps loosen the top dead layers of your skin. They don't recommend using it until day 3 after you apply the tanner, but it will help. So, I mean, you just might need to use more coats, but this can definitely make a difference. You can also use this on your face because the ingredients are pretty gentle. And then they're also calling this a primer, so like a pre-tan primer, and it exfoliates and primes your skin to create that perfect tanning canvas. Since it has urea and aloe, it's going to hydrate your skin instead of just completely strip your skin. And then it has glycolic acid, which is an exfoliant with the urea. And then pink grapefruit, which brightens, goji berry, which is an antioxidant, and juniper to even out your skin tone. So overall, I think this is a really great product and I love the ingredients. It's a pretty lightweight, moussey foam. And then you just rub it all over and leave it on for 5 minutes and then rinse off in the shower. You want to buff your skin gently until the color is removed. So I use these little towel mitts from my all-time favorite self-tan remover, X-Tan. So you get this mitt wet with warm water, and I usually do this in the shower, not on the floor in my bathroom. But you just rub it in circular motions all over the area that you're trying to treat. So it can be a little bit time consuming because you really want to make sure you're rubbing every area evenly. And you can see I'm pushing kind of hard, so I do turn red when I do this, but it definitely works. Here are the final results. You can definitely see a difference, and you can tell which side I use the Tanologist on. Okay, so let's get into the pros and cons. I love that this is a foam. This one is so easy to apply to specific areas, and it stays in place instead of running down your leg or your arm. It also smells really good. It's refreshing, but it smells clean. And it doesn't sting me, but if you're sensitive, I do recommend doing a patch test just to make sure that it's not gonna be an issue for you. I would say overall, it definitely did make a difference. It doesn't work 100%, but no tan remover really does. It definitely doesn't work as well on a newer tan than like a 3-day or older tan, but I do love how it has all of these great skincare ingredients and it's not just completely stripping your skin. So you just have to use it probably 2 or 3 times to really remove your tan before day 3. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst product I've ever tried, I'd rate it a 7. I actually am impressed by this. I've tried quite a few self-tan removers, and this one does work. I would say it actually works better than some of the higher end brands that I tried, but I still do think that X-Tan is the best. I definitely see a difference in how it worked. It's just not my favorite one. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. And then if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you next time.